A train 150 meters long running at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour takes 30 seconds to cross a bridge. What is the length of the bridge? Now, for such questions, we have to use the concept of time is equal to length of the object plus length of the train upon speed of the train, because the bridge has a significant length. Now, it is given to us that time to pass the bridge is 30 seconds. Now, the speed is 60 kilometers per hour of the train. So, we can easily convert this equation to now length of the object. That's what we have to find out. Let's assume it as x. Length of the train is 150 meters is equal to speed of the train is 60 kilometers per hour. So this is kilometers per hour. So we'll have to convert it into meters per second. So into 5 by 18 multiplied by the time. The time is 30 seconds. So now let's solve this. 6 3s are 18, 6 10s are 60. 3 into 10 is 30. So we get x plus 150 is equal to 500. So therefore, x is equal to 350. So answer will be option B.